Stack them. It's okay. I just found them, and he had them stacked vertically on each other. Can you stack them? He had one on top of the other. It was very impressive. You going somewhere else to perform your magic trick?
Go, 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 go.
Say go, Joe, go. Yeah, dance. Can you can you stack them? Stack? Yes, you can. That's right. Good job. Where are we going? Are you dancing? Myself away. Good dancing. You were definitely my child. You dance like a frat boy. Yeah, you do. You got the white man dance right down pat. Good job. Okay. Good job. Yay! You want to do more? More songs? It's playing. You hear it? Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw me back to you. It's Oasis. Okay. Yay!